There you go. All right. Should be good now. There we go. All right, let's get started. All right. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another live session. You guys know what it is. We're live here every single day doing live trades, showing you guys exactly how I make around $1,000 to $5,000 a day. I basically make your monthly income on a daily basis, and I'm here to show you exactly how to do it without selling anything. There's no payment portal. There's no course you have to buy. There's no subscription you have to pay for. And you should, in fact, never actually have to pay for anything, because if anyone has a profitable trading system, profitable trading strategy, they should never have to charge you money. This is why we don't charge anything. And you should actually just come here and learn completely for free. So let's see if there's any trades that we can take. And guys, right here, you can see the range bars are going from green to red, which means we're looking for a sell trade. And guess what? The super trend is also red. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take the sell trade right here. Now, I might have gone in just a little bit too late, but there's a sell trade for $1,000. I'm going to do it, and it's live right here. Now, once I've entered the trade, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my stop loss and my take profit. Okay. How do I do that? Very simply, I'm going to click and drag my entry up, and there's $1,000 right there. So you can see negative 1,000 because that's my stop loss. Okay. That's the max I want to risk on this trade. Now I'm going to set my take profit, which I'm going to click and drag it down to about $1,000. And that's our take profit right there. Now you can see, why did I enter the trade? Okay. Just so you guys understand, what is trading? Trading is basically, and this is exactly what we were talking about just a little bit earlier here at the office, is trading is basically how the world goes around. Okay, the reason you have electricity, the reason that you have gas to fill in your car, the reason you even have a car, the reason you have a job is because the markets are going around. Okay, so we're trading the global markets, and what's happening is we're able to try to, the whole goal is to try to extract some sort of money from the markets on a daily basis, because it's literally trillions of dollars that's being moved around, and all we want to do is extract just like 0.000000001% of it, and we're what people would call rich. Okay, that's basically what I'm trying to show you guys here. So what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a live stream, which is I come live here every single day, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I make your monthly income on a daily basis with 0 customers, 0 clients, 0 products, and you guys aren't even my clients because you guys never pay me anything. You guys have never paid me anything, but you should just come here and learn exactly how I'm doing what I'm doing. Because if you're not currently right now making money in the markets online from your couch at home, and as long as you have Wi-Fi and internet, I actually don't know what you're waiting for, because you should get started right away. All right. Now, Lord Prince is saying gold is closed right now, but when gold does open up, guys, by the way, I'm going to be live. This M&M is it's making noise. Okay. It's loose in there. Okay, anyways, guys, I'm going to be live in about, 8 hours from now. And in 8 hours from now, gold and NASDAQ, all these other markets are going to be open. And then we're going to be doing trades on those other markets. So make sure you guys have everything set up, ready to go for tonight. All right, now how do you get set up? How do you get started? How do you not waste time and start earning money from the markets? All you got to do is go to akapwc.com. That's my website. Just go to akapwc.com, because I'm here to help you without charging you a single penny ever. Okay? So just go to my website, akapwc.com, and get started right away. What up? Wow, what's going on? Wow is asking, do you recommend day trading or swing trading for a beginner? Now, let me explain that to you. Okay? What is day trading and what is swing trading? Day trading is when you take a trade and it's just, within the day, the trade closes. What's swing trading? When you hold a trade over time. a few days, a few weeks, a few months. Now, here's the problem with swing trading, which is when you're holding trade for over a long period of time. Do you know the future? Do you know the future? Because I don't know the future. So then how can we do a long-term trade? How? We can't. The only way that it would make sense for us to do swing trading is if we knew the future. Okay? This is why we don't do swing trading. This is why I don't hold trades over a long period of time, because I don't know what's going to happen in the future. So the way that I do all of my trades is I enter a buy or sell trade. Then I set my stop loss and take profit at 100 points up, 100 points down. Now, 100 points is not a big move. Okay, let me show you guys. So we just did a 100-point trade right here on Bitcoin, right? If I was to zoom out, let's go to, because most people are on the 30-minute chart or whatever. Guys, look at this. Do you see how small my trade is? That's all I'm trying to catch. That's it. Look at what 100 points looks like. You can't even see it. This is all. But I make $1,000 to $5,000 a day just catching that small move. Now, here's the thing. What you want to do is you want to catch this huge move down. What you want to do is you want to catch this huge move up. But guess what? You guys will try to do that, but you'll lose money. But I'll try to just catch a small, very small move, and I'll make money every single day. Sorry?
That's 100.
Exactly. It's 100 points. All right. Is this live? Of course it's live. I'm live here every single day. I do all my trades live here daily. So don't waste time. Get started. Go to akpwc.com. You can get set up and started right away. But options are extremely expensive. So I'm actually not trading options. Options are actually, options is gambling. We don't do any gambling here. Okay. No gambling. What we're doing is futures and derivatives trading. All right. Now, yo, John, what's going on, man? What's going on? Heavy Tar is saying it's AKA Money Time. You guys know what it is. It's AKA Money Time every time I'm live here. Let's go. Can this be done as long-term alternative to a 9-to-5 job? So, Jeff, here's the thing. This is what I tell everybody, because everyone comes here, they see how much money they can make, and they say, I'm quitting my job. Okay? Don't quit your job. The goal really should be... You're gonna quit. So we have a guy here at the office. He's like, I'm gonna quit my job. So basically, what I always tell everyone is, let's get our accounts well past $100,000. Okay, well past 6 figures. And then once you're consistently at least making $500 to $1,000 a day, because I'm doing $1,000 to $5,000 a day. So if you can even get to $500 to $1,000 a day, then you can think about it. Okay. And you need to be doing that consistently over time. You know, it's not just one day I made $1,000. I'm quitting my job. No, you should be able to run it like a business. And I'm going to show you guys here how to start the business of trading, because that's what this is. This is a business. You know, everyone wants to do drop shipping. Everyone wants to sell little trinkets and stuff. Guys, this isn't going to make you money. Just understand. The potential of selling little trinkets is a huge headache and maybe an extra $200 if you actually make money. Okay. Most people, when you try to do drop shipping, you're going to pay to get everything set up, and you're not going to make anything. Okay. But here's the thing. When it comes to trading, we're trading the global markets. This will never stop. Just so you guys understand, this isn't a trend. This isn't something that's cool and it's not cool. No, this is how the world has been going around for a very long time. And it will continue to only get bigger. Okay. This will not get smaller. This will only get bigger. And the problem is just how you've missed every single opportunity in your life. If you don't do this now, this will be just another one of those things. It's just going to be another thing that 10 years later, you know, your friend or your cousin's brother's son's uncle's dog is now making the amount of money you make in a whole year every month. And you're like, oh man, I wish I started. You know, so you don't want to have that, oh man, I wish I started when you're like 98 years old. You know, you would rather make the change right now. All right. So let me go ahead and answer some questions here before we get started. And guys, we're already in a sell trade right now for $1,000 that we entered live. By the way, check this one trade out that I'm going to show you guys right here. I did this trade just about 2 days ago. Guys, check it out. $31,000 trade. Okay, $31,000. How long does it take people to make 31,000 USD, which is almost like 45,000 Canadian? Okay, how long does it take? How long does it take? All right, I'm gonna go through the comments right here.
I think it's not same.
What is it?
Have you made enough money to buy a decent watch?
Yo, new money saying, have you made enough money to buy a decent watch? I did. So just a little while ago, I think you were in here, telling me, oh, you're wearing a Tag Heuer. It's a cheap watch. I know it's only like 3,000-4,000. It wasn't expensive, but guess what? I picked up a Rolex Daytona. This one was about 27,000 USD, and it's the ceramic Daytona, super nice. So you know what? I took your advice. I listened to the guys in my comments. So there we go. I actually flew down to New York and I picked up the Rolex Daytona. There we go. Let's go. New Money saying that is great news. All right, I appreciate you. Because you know what? Actually, after that. And after I made the 31,000 yesterday, I actually have a new watch on order. So it's going to be, how long did this say? Like 2 months? Around 2 months for delivery. But I'm not going to tell you what it is, but in 2 months, you guys are just going to see it. I won't even need to say anything.
Tell New Money to be here.
Yo, New Money, make sure you join, okay? Make sure you join. Let's see. Can we do a live trade right now? Guys, we're already in a live sell trade right now. I'm happy for you, bro. For sure, man. I appreciate you. Let's go. I appreciate the gifts, man. So for anyone who wants to get started, who wants to know how is it that AKA doesn't work a job, hasn't worked a job in 8 years, travels the world, can pay for anything and everything without stressing, makes how much I make in a whole month every single day. How does AKA do it? Guess what? Just go to akapwc.com and I will never charge you guys anything because I don't need to charge you anything. Just go to akapwc.com. The website is right here and just follow the steps. Step 1, register on Ibotta.com, which is a licensed and regulated trading platform. So it's safe and secure. They've been around for a very long time. It's a huge firm. Step 2, access the range bar system. This is our over $500,000 trading system. I've actually cleared a few $1 million using the system, and I just give it to you. Then it's just about you learning. How do you learn? Step 3, watch the videos. It actually doesn't get easier. Okay, like I've actually done step 1, step 2, step 3. I'm handing you guys on a silver, actually forget that, on a gold platter, here you go. This is how I make $1,000 to $5,000 a day, and all you have to do is click these buttons. Okay? Now, if you don't do it now, you're gonna see, actually, a funny thing happens where, right now my account size is 644,000. Now, I have people that come in here and they just randomly, by chance, were watching me like 2 years ago. They're like, wait, your account was only 300,000 when I saw you 2 years ago. Your account's almost 700. I'm like, yeah, did you start yet? And they're like, no, I'm starting right now. I'm like, well, you just wasted the past 2 years. Why would you waste it? How much do you need to start? User 888. There's no minimum, there's no maximum. So there's no minimum or maximum on Ibotta. So go get your account set up, get it funded, get it verified, and get started right there. All right. New Money saying, Habibi, come to Dubai. I was just in Dubai, man. Shoot me a DM because next time I'm there, we'll link up. I actually met a few of you guys when I went to Dubai because a few of you guys were there. You're like, yo, AK, you're here, come meet. So we met up. So it was nice to meet you guys. Delargis is saying, I was watching you then. Yeah, exactly. Can you do 10,000 in 1 day by investing 1,000? So, BZ, here's the thing. Technically, you can. You can turn 1,000 into 10,000. You can, for sure. But the problem is, it's not sustainable. You might be able to do it once, twice, 3 times, but then there's going to be a point where you might blow the account. So what I try to teach everyone here is, how can you be safe? Okay, how can you make income regularly? Because yeah, you could, turn 1,000 to 2,000, 2,000 to 5,000, 5,000 to 10,000, sure. But then you can't possibly continue that into the billions of dollars. right? But what can you potentially do to the billions of dollars? Make a few percent a month. Few percent a month. All right? So this guy, so this person who has a name which is obviously a burner account, which isn't even a real account, with no picture of himself, whatever, saying this guy makes more from y'all believing it than he makes from trading. So actually, I make around $1,000 to $5,000 a day from trading live, and I don't even sell anything. So I don't actually make anything from you guys. I come live here. I do all my trades live. The main reason I'm here is to be able to raise $100 million. I'm being as public as possible because I don't know who you are. And I don't know all of these people who come to the office. I don't know who they are. I don't know who you know. So what I want to do is be as public as possible. And just so you guys understand, I grew up poor, okay? I didn't come from money. When I was growing up, pizza was a luxury. Just so you guys understand, okay? I'm coming from, my dad was working at $5 an hour. Okay, that's the life I'm coming from. So now that I'm making $1,000 to $5,000 a day, traveling the world, this is crazy to me too. Okay, this isn't like I was used to this. Oh, I grew up and my parents were buying Porsches and Lambos. No, I actually grew up poor. So what I'm trying to show you guys here is how you can actually make money from trading, and you should never actually pay anyone. You should never ever pay anyone. Because I'll give you guys a short story, okay? So when I was growing up, obviously in high school, I was working at Tim Hortons or Shoppers Drug Mart. And for people in Canada, you guys know what that is. For people from all over the world, you guys probably don't know. But it's I was working at coffee shops, and I was working at down the street pharmacies for whatever, $6 an hour, $7 an hour. And then I saw this guy on Instagram, and flashy lifestyle, G-Wagon and private jets and traveling the world. And I was like, wow, this is crazy. I want to be like that. I want to also have nice cars. I want to also be able to travel the world. So I sent him a DM, and he's like, oh, if you want to learn, my course is $1,000. And I was like, I didn't know because I'm in high school, I didn't know. So I was like, okay, I worked so many hours to save up $1,000. And I paid this guy the $1,000. And do you know what I got? I got a 300 plus page PDF with it's size 5 font. And I got it in my email. I'm like, I'm never going to read this. So, and then I realized, wait a minute. I just paid for his monthly payment on his G-Wagon. I made his car monthly payment. I worked so hard, hours and hours, at Tim Hortons. And I made his car payment. And I was like, this is crazy because I know there's billions of dollars to be made from the market. And then I realized paying people is not the way. So this is why I always come live and I tell everybody, never ever pay anyone to learn how to trade. Because if you're paying anyone, you're getting scammed. Okay? So never pay anyone. Just come in here and learn. And let's get started right away. What's the cost for your course? It's $0. I come live here every single day. I do all my trades live. I answer all your questions, and it costs you $0. Go to Abato.com, get your account set up, and user 88 is saying, do you get commission from Abato, or can we use other platforms? I'm just asking to understand for sure. So before I get to your question, let me just answer user 88's question. Now, here's the thing. Because I'm trading myself. Obviously, I make all my money from trading. I do it live here. I show you guys, okay? Now, when I'm trading, I want to find the platform that has the lowest fees. Because remember, trading as a business has expenses. What's your expense in your trading business? It's your trading fees. Your monthly fees, your make your take your fees, your commissions, your swaps, your spreads, all of those things. And they all add together. Now, what happens is, because I want to make the most amount when I'm trading, I want to trade on a platform with the lowest fees. So I'm always hunting from brokers that have the lowest fees. So Abato actually has the lowest fees that I've actually ever found. 0 commission, 0 swaps, and the lowest spreads. So if you trade anywhere else, you're going to get wrecked on the fees. You're going to lose at least 30 to 40% minimum of profit just from the fees. Plus, when you have losing trades, you'll lose even more. And guys, there we go. Congratulations. We just hit $1,000 take profit What are you waiting for? $1,000 USD right here in front of you guys. Go to akpwc.com. Get started right now. akpwc.com. The link is in my bio. Get your Abato account set up. Get it funded. Get it verified. Access the RangeBar system. Watch the setup videos. Don't waste time. You can even join our Discord. It's all right there. Rolly knows it's AKA money time. Let's go. Can you use it worldwide? Yeah, I know people from all over the world that are using it. Market analysts say, congratulations to you guys, because that's what I'm here for. That's what I'm here for. Let's go. The largest, you just saw it right here. Let's go. What's the website again, TJ? It's AKA PWC, which is just my name, AKPWC.com. TradeWiz is saying, does Abato have a trial version I can use to start? So Abato does have demo you can practice on. But guys, you all know, why waste time? I make money here live every single day in front of you. Don't waste time. Just get started, because guess what? When it comes to trading, we can even start trading with $1 trades. So when I'm doing the trades, technically, hypothetically, as an example, you can do the same trade, but let's say you do a smaller lot size. If you do 0.01 lot size, that'd just be a $1 trade. If you do 0.1 lot size, that'd be a $10 trade. If you did one lot size, that would have been a $100 trade. All right. Excuse me. Bell, thank you for the gift. Appreciate it. Let's go. Bro, Milo is saying, bro, I can invest 50,000. Yeah, exactly. So that's the real amount. We always tell everyone you should start with as much as possible. So just go to abato.com, get your account set up, get it funded, get it verified, abbado.com. And remember, because they're licensed and regulated, they have two different trading platforms. They have their web trader or they have the MetaTrader. But I trade on their web trader. It's actually way easier to use. So just register on their web trader account. Then click your email on the top right corner. I'll show you guys how to deposit. Right here, you'll see deposit and withdraw. So click deposit. Now they have two options here. They have either bank transfer or crypto. Some people have experience transferring crypto. You should just do that right away, because crypto is actually the fastest. Within 10-15 minutes, boom, your account is funded, it's ready to go. If you've never done crypto, you can always do the bank transfer option. Now, bank transfer does take about 1 to 2 days, so you just click proceed. Nice thing is they give you a 5% deposit bonus. So if you deposit, for example, 10K, you'll get $500 as a deposit bonus. If you do 50K, you'll get $2,500 as a deposit bonus, which is crazy. So for wire transfer, here's their wire information. This is just their bank information. You just take it to your bank, or if you could do it online, send a wire transfer and then just email them a picture of the transfer receipt. They even credit you the wire fee. I know wires can cost anywhere from like $20 to $40, but they'll credit it. They'll cover it. So there's no reason to waste time, because every single day I come live here, I make money, I show you guys how to do it. Let's go. Let's see. We have a few other questions. Kaden is saying, can you show us a trade? Angel, we just did a $1,000 trade right now. Dorico is saying, how many hours do you spend a day trading? So I usually make around $1,000 to $5,000 in about 2 to 3 hours. So 2 to 3 hours, I make 1 to 5K a day. And it's saying, can you use Meta 5? So they do have Meta 5, but Abato, but I like to trade on their web trader platform. But I mean, you can use it if you want. Let's see. Sand is saying, how do they manage to give bonuses? Who's paying the bonus? So that's just a promotion that they're running. All right, let's see. What do you do if the super trend is trending? So, but is trending up, but the adjustable trading candles are saying sell. So Caden, both need to match. I'm going to show you right here. Okay. I'm going to show you right here. So you see how the super trend is red. Okay. So if the super trend is red, we're only taking sell trades because the market is coming down. Why would we do a buy? It doesn't make sense. So if the super trend is red, we're only doing sell trades. And then what we're looking for is when the range bars go from green to red. So they both match, red and red. So you see it goes from green to red, then I'd be looking for a sell trade. And the opposite too. So let's say the range bars are going from red to green and the super trend is also green. They both match, then we just do a buy trade. That's it. That's how it works. Webull app good for trading. So Webull is actually an investment platform, not really a trading platform. Trading and investing are two different things, okay? With investing, you can only make money when the markets go up, but in trading, we can make money whether the markets go up or down. Let's see. Is it that simple? Hazen, the reason that it seems so simple is because we've actually tested thousands of strategies. We spent over $500,000 developing our system, and it took us well over 4 years. And now we're giving you the final product. And when I say giving, I really truly do mean we're giving it to you. You don't have to pay for it. You can have it. You all can have it. All right. So, bro, I'm very interested in trading, but I know nothing about it. Could you help me? For sure. So all you got to do is go to my website, akapwc.com, and all the links are right there. So just follow the steps. Go to akapwc.com. It's my name, akapwc.com. Roofer saying, you have to pay taxes when I want to cash out. So, I mean, the way that I do it, I can't give tax advice, and everybody's got to pay taxes. But here's the thing. The way that I do it, we pull it into our company bank account because technically we put it under a company. What am I trading? I'm usually trading Bitcoin, gold, and NASDAQ. Those are the three pairs that I trade most. TradeWiz, yes, you can try demo. Ann is saying, what if it's opposite color? Do we still trade? No, so Ann, we always wait for them to align. So if the range bars are going from red to green, so it's going from a downtrend to an uptrend, and the super trend is green, so green and green, then I take a buy. And if the super trend is red, which means we're only looking for a sell trade, and the range bars go green to red, so green to red, and super trend is red, red and red, then we take a sell trade. All right. What do you make of people's investments? I make zero. Jock is saying, Mohammed, it was my pleasure meeting you. You're the best. I saw you live doing trading. You make it. I appreciate you, Jocker. You're welcome here anytime. Let's go. Can you use this platform from Saudi Arabia? Yeah, Milo. Actually, they're regulated and licensed in Dubai as well. It's safe and secure. We've been using it for a long time, and I know people from all over the world that are using Abato. So guys, go to Abato.com, get your account set up, get it verified, get it funded. What are you waiting for? Let's go. I can't see Abato in Meta 5. So it's, so to get Abato on MetaTrader 5, so all you have to do is just follow these steps. Okay. So go to Abato.com and then click sign up. Okay. When you click sign up, they give you two different options, the MetaTrader 5 option or the Abato Web Trader option. I prefer the Web Trader option, but you can go to the Meta 5 and you can register for their Meta 5 account. All right. So can I use Exness? So the fees on Exness are actually so much higher. You will continue to guaranteed lose money if you're trading there. What happened to the trade yesterday you did in front of us? We hit take profit on that trade. The trade that I did in front of you guys yesterday at the office here, we hit take profit for $1,000. There we go. Bilo saying, if I make good money, we'll go to Umrah together. That's crazy. I mean, I'd be down. What is the minimum deposit? Arzu saying, there's no minimum or maximum. You can start with any amount. There's no minimum or maximum. All right. So guys, I'm going to call it a day here. We just made $1,000. Thank you guys all for joining. Thanks for the likes, the comments, the questions. You guys are amazing. I'm going to see you guys later on in about 7 hours from now, wherever you guys are in the world. In about 7 hours from now, I'm going to see you guys live. Make sure that you have your account set up on Abato, have it funded. All you got to do, you can start with 500 for sure. Guys, go to my website, akapwc.com, and just follow the steps. And we'll see you guys in a few hours. Thank you guys all for joining. You guys are amazing. We're going to keep it short and sweet here for today. We already made $1,000 in just the past few minutes. And you guys are awesome. I'll see you guys in a bit. And remember, there's literally thousands. Why after 7 hours? Because that's usually when I go live later in the evening. Because I also... surprising to a lot of people, I also have a life that I gotta do things.
No, he's probably saying, like, why are you saying 7 hours?
Oh, 7 hours? Oh, yeah. That's so funny. So 7 hours really is because there's people from all over the world here. There's people from all over the world here. Okay, so I don't know what time zone you're in. Actually, guys, put it in the comments right before we go. Tell me where you're from in the world, because I know we have people from all over the world here watching. We just made $1,000, so congratulations to everyone globally. UK, Toronto, USA, Florida, from Dubai, from UK, New Jersey, Brampton, from Canada, Ontario, Scotland, Jamaica, Chicago, UK, Montreal, Serbia. That's crazy. I'd love to come one day. Pakistan, Zimbabwe, in Qatar, nice, Dubai, Florida, UK, Qatar, Belgium. I went to Qatar. Qatar is amazing, beautiful country. Edinburgh, Ireland, Ethiopia, Pakistan. That's crazy. We're global, guys. I appreciate all of you guys. You guys are amazing. Amazing. South Africa, Cameroon, Kenya, Nigeria. That's crazy, guys. So, guys, go get started. Don't waste time. We'll see you guys in about 7 hours from now. You guys know I come live twice every single day, 7 days a week. I'm here, and let's get started. From Manchester, Jack is saying, can I come to the office now, or is it too late? I was actually going to call it a day here at the office, but for all of you guys who want to, if you guys are in the Toronto area, guys, here's my office address. You can actually text me at any time. There's my phone number. There's the office address. Take a screenshot. And I'll see you guys in a few hours. Have a good one, guys. Thanks for all the likes, the gifts, the comments, the questions. You guys are awesome. And we'll see you guys in a bit.